Hello everyone, welcome to Target Language English. Today we're going to talk about short answers in the present simple and present continuous tense. Let's dive right in. In English, short answers are a polite and quick way to respond to yes or no questions without repeating the entire question. Short answers in the present simple tense are formed using the verbs do and be. Which one we use depends on the original question. For example, does he like music? The positive short answer starts with yes, followed by the subject and then the verb. Here, the subject is he and the auxiliary verb do agrees with the subject in the third person singular, does. Yes, he does. In the negative short answer, we start with no, followed by the subject and the negative form of the auxiliary verb. No, he doesn't. Is she tall? Here we use the verb to be in the third person singular form, is. The positive short answer is yes, she is, and the negative, no, she isn't. If we have the pronoun you in the question, we need to replace the pronoun you with either I or we. For example, do you like music? In the affirmative, yes, I do, or yes, we do. In the negative, no, I don't, or no, we don't. If we have a noun in the question, the short answer uses the appropriate pronoun that replaces the noun. For example, does Sarah like music? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Do the children dance? Yes, they do, or no, they don't. Is your new house big? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. One important thing to remember, when you're writing, always make sure to put a comma after yes and no. Here's a simple exercise with short answers in the present simple tense. For each question, provide both the positive and the negative short answer. You can pause the video and resume watching when you're ready to check your answers. Does she work here? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do we need more food? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do you play football? Yes, I do, or yes, we do. And the negative? No, I don't, or no, we don't. Is she ready? Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Are you happy? Yes, I am, or yes, we are. And the negative? No, I'm not, or no, we aren't. Is Mr. Rogers your teacher? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are the children at home? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Does Ben visit often? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Are Ashley and Tom your friends? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Does Annie play the piano? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Now that we've covered short answers in the present simple, let's move on to the present continuous tense. For example, are they studying? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Notice that we don't repeat the main verb, studying. Instead, we use the helping verb, to be, to answer the question. Is she cooking? Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Am I talking too fast? Yes, you are, or no, you aren't. Let's do one more exercise, this time with short answers in the present continuous. Same as before, for each question, provide both a positive and a negative short answer. Feel free to pause the video and resume watching when you're ready to check your answers. Are they watching a movie? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Is he listening to music? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she reading a book? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Am I speaking clearly? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Is Ben sitting in the right place? Ben is third person singular, he. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is Miss Thompson writing a letter? Miss Thompson is third person singular, she. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are you learning English? Yes, I am, or yes, we are. And the negative? No, I'm not, or no, we aren't. Is it raining outside? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are the children drawing? The pronoun for children is they, third person plural. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Is the dog barking? We'll use the pronoun it. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. And that's it for today's lesson on the short answers in the present simple and present continuous tense. If you found this helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time on Target Language English.